Reset Smeg Dishwasher. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you want to reset a Smeg dishwasher, then you will need to follow some steps. Step 1. Open the dishwasher door and quickly close it. Make sure that the door latches properly. You should hear a soft click as the latch engages. Step 2. Locate the on/off button on the left side of the dishwasher control panel. Press and release the on/off button to turn the appliance off. Press and release the on/off button a second time to turn the dishwasher back on. The power on indicator light above the on/off button will illuminate when the appliance is on. Step 3. Select and run a dishwashing cycle to ensure that the dishwasher control board has been reset successfully. Press the appropriate program button on the right of the on/off button. The LED light above the 5 programming buttons will indicate which program has been selected. Press and release the start/stop button to start the selected dishwashing cycle. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.